Good morning, dear students. So, today we'll be dealing with the first chapter, The Three L's of Empowerment by Christine Lagarde. Emancipation and empowerment of women is of prime importance in every society. In our country, we have achieved partial success, but we still have a long way to go. What should we do to achieve this goal? So, here is a speech made by Christine Lagarde talking about the need of empowering women. Let's look more about Christine Lagarde. Christine Madeleine Audet Lagarde is a French politician, business person, and a lawyer. She is serving as the president of European Central Bank since November 1, 2019. The Three L's of Empowerment is a thought-provoking speech made by her at National Democratic Institute's Madeleine K. Albright Award luncheon in Washington, D.C. on May 19, 2014. So, in her speech, Christine Lagarde talks about the importance of women empowerment and the ways to achieve this goal. She begins the speech by stressing the role of women in modern world. Women have great potential, but they are denied the opportunity to contribute their potential for the benefit of entire human race. There are three ways in which we can open the doors of opportunity for women. She calls them as three L's. They are learning, labor, and leadership. I repeat, the three essential factors for the empowerment of women in society are learning, labor, and leadership. Let's look at it in detail. Learning. Learning or education is a foundation on which any change is built. Education helps women to stand independent. The speaker also quotes the famous African saying, "If you educate a boy, you train a man. If you educate a girl, you train a village." It is especially so in the developing world. Learning helps women to help themselves. Women's education has a wider and stronger impact than the education of men. Next one is labor. Labor or employment is the second step to help women to flourish and achieve their true potential. Women should achieve greater economic independence. We should bring policies that encourage education and healthcare. It's all about changing laws and avoiding discrimination because women around the world are stuck in low security, low paying, and low status jobs. We should eliminate gender gaps in economic participation because only then we can bring a growth rate in per capita income. So, our motto should be equal pay for equal work. For that, we should work hard. We should bring policies that encourage education and healthcare. And the third point is leadership. More women should come to leadership. They should be part of the decision making bodies. Women are more likely to take decisions based on consensus building, inclusion, compassion, and with focus on long term sustainability. They should be a part of the decision making bodies because they are actually as good or even better leaders as compared to men. So, the 3 points that you should keep in mind, first one is learning, second one labor, and finally leadership. So, if we make a world where women can meet their potential, the world will benefit from it. Christine Lagarde concludes her speech by telling every woman to be ready to dare the difference. I repeat, Christine Lagarde concludes her speech by telling every woman to be ready to dare the difference. Through this, she is asking everyone to step out of the comfort zone and take risk. If women dare the difference, there will be a difference in the society, and this difference will deliver results. So, I hope the concepts are clear. Thank you.